Alphanumeric series questions mania kan zir. To me chunjamna part 2 questions question number 1 atanga question number 5 kha ania. To me question number 1 kha question si heta kalau ziak chuak le to lova. To me to initiate do chuan question sa he in end do chuan tinani chu amami video kha inlo en le don nia. To be questions are chuan how many numbers are there which is immediately preceded by a letter number ma chia letter which is immediately preceded by a letter if all the vowels are dropped from if all the vowels are dropped from the sequence after step 1 tihi ane helai kan number ma chia letter engzange step 1 zo chia kan ani step 1 na kan tinane to me a chuan vowel zong in lo drop ang to me in drop zo nuwa number ma chia letter engzange ani tihi azona ane ani chon hei vowels in lo en chuan hemi o kha vowels ania chuan hemi e kha vowels ani chuan hemi a vowels ani adang vowels si a lo tro hemi vowels pathum in lo drop noi in lo pai noin number ma letter exange alo ti chon a number ti in lo en chuan 6 2 4 8 le 5 ani hemi number te ma letter exange ka dijon hemi ma chuan letter ma sikan pai thoni hei o kha vowels ani wang chuan a theilo chuan hemi apokan ama chi kan vowels letters kha biturania ma se symbol wang chuan hei po hi theilo chuan four ma chi kan letter pakhat ani phoda chuan helai number tho in lo en khan ama khan letter ama chi khan lo hei point i theilo chuan helai chi khan in lo en point a theilo chuan question number 1 in answer to only one there is only one number preceded by a letter tina ane so we have finished question number 1 he kan zo question number 2 kan lut chobanga and question number 2 khan with respect to the sequence after step 2, how many letters are there which is immediately preceded and followed by a symbol? So on option 1, 2, 3, 4 left. None of these none of these none danglam na chu none ganti chuan helai option atangin helai kan tum kha pakhat ma mu the lo tina ane chuan step after step 2 ati ba then step 2 kha in lo enam ane chuan enge sequence after how many letters are there letters anu say how many letters are there which is immediately preceded and followed ati chuan ama a chia le anu chia azo chia symbol ve tinani tro symbol ve kha engzange ti hi question number 2 khan azona ane alaya letter manga ama che symbol manga azo che symbol tinani ani chen in lovena nga letters te hi engge kan ti chuan a o f m e q r t z n a hey te hi letters te kha ane ai chen letter ma symbol turani wang chuan hey ye theilo helai khan letter ina ama che khan symbol lo theilo helai khan inen khan letter ma khan symbol ma azo che khan symbol turi ba chen hey po hi theilo chuan helai khan inen khan letter ma khan symbol lo theilo chuan hey po theilo ani chen next helai lo lu le ngai do ni letter ania letter ma khan symbol ma se azo chia khan symbol lo theilo hey po hi theilo hey ye them letter ma khan symbol ma azo che khan e ma to lo pani chumi ni ba chen hemi questions number 2 khan options in lo en khan pakhat ma the lo bani bang chuan in answer to none ina ane voi khat en le nok ta ila with respect to sequence after step 2 zo che khan hemi hi a series alphanumeric series kha ane hi and how many letters are these letters ania which is immediately preceded amachi akhan le azochi akhan followed ani by a symbol on ajan letter in lo ena letter ma hei thelo letter ma khan symbol men thelo eta letter ma khan symbol on azochi khan symbol aliem nilo thelo hei po hi thelo so he dai lo lu le letter ma khan symbol on ma se azochi khan symbol on lo thei chuang lo heta khan letter ma ama khan symbol on lo thei lo nga heta letter ma khan symbol on azochi khan symbol on lo chu bang chon in answer to chu non ti kha in answer and question number 2 question number 3 kan do danga question number 3 in lo en khan how many elements are between the second composite number from left end and first prime number from right end ti hi mane helaya a questions in lo en khan composite number ti le prime number ti hi mane prime number le composite number hey hi chiang dewa kan thriat phot angai dina ani prime number kan ti chuan factor panhi nei kan ti emo number 1 le ama number in asem the kan ti hi prime number ani etiran pakhat entai la 1 hi entai la a factor kan lo enjon asem the tu kan lo enjon 1 chi ani chumi ni wang chuan 1 hi asem the tu hi pakhat chi ani chumi ni wang chuan prime number ani lo wani chudiang bok chuan composite number ani lo hi kan thiat atra 1 hi neither prime nor composite ani prime number ti kha examples lo ta ila 2 kan ti chuan asem the tu chu 1 le 2 ani 3 kan lo ti chu asem the tu chu 1 le 3 ani chumi ni wang chuan 2 te 3 kan ti te hi prime number ani number divisible by 1 in the number itself 1 le ama number le same the kha prime number ani le 4 hi prime number ani em entire asem the tu hi 1 ani ya 2 in the same the ya 4 in the same the ani pakhat panhi ai na tam to ani asem the tu kha 4 kha chumi ni wang chen prime number ni to lovin composite number ani to ani composite number kan ti chuan same the tu kan ti don nge factor panhi ai tam nei kan ti hi composite numbers tika ani chen hemi question number 3 kan do to anga hemi question number 3 in lo wen khan how many elements exam nge second composite number from left end and first prime number from right end after step 2 step 2 zone in tinane a question sa kan step 2 zone in elements exam second composite number from left end kan ti chon hey side ni left end atanga in logaw na composite number apan hi na kha engeni hey hi first composite number ania hey hi second composite number ani left end atanga in lo en khan and between the boundon head side atanga in logaw le right end atanga first prime number in lo enam hey in lo n pair hey hi prime number ni lo composite number ani chuan hemi 5 hi prime number ani right end atanga in lo n pair first prime number ka hemi 5 ka ani chuan left hand side atanga in lo count pair second composite number 2 hemi hey first composite number nia hey hi second composite number ani chumi te panhi inkara elements exam nge kan ti chuan 5 le 4 hi number in dot ani bang chuan pakhat ma lo fani so your answer will be engeni kha non ti hi in answer ani le ani so next question number 4 kan do danga how many symbols are to the left of second vowels from right n in the sequence obtained after step 1 dia to be a how many symbols are the symbol ka in lo da photam symbol in lo da nga chuan how many symbols are to the left of second vowels from right n after step 1 about hey step 1 ka hey kan manga so step 1 in lo ena right n atranga vowel apani na kan ti chuan hey vowel pakhat na ani vowel pani na khoi nge kan ti chuan hemi i kha vowel pani na ani to be zone mu lam hemi side a khan a left side a khan inani a left side a khan symbol exange kan ti chuan pakhat chuan hemi nen khan pani so your answer will be 2 tina ani voi khat soinon le ang how many symbols are there to the left of second vowels from right n atia second vowels from right n step 1 zo no ya ti zot helai tangin hemi hi a ka vowels pakhat na nia chuan e hi vowels pani na ni to me veilam panga khan hemi veilam pang chu hei sai ti ani a khan symbol exange ka ti chuan pakhat pani to me chu 2 kha in answer ani apangana how many letters are to the left of second composite number heta chon letters ani to ani kan zum tum kha second composite number from right n in the sequence obtained after step 2 ani just step 2 kha in lo ena ngai step 2 apo khan hemi right n atrang in to me a chuan enge ati kha left of second composite number from right n atranga second composite number to hey first composite number dia right n atranga in n pain so apani na kha hey 4 kha second composite number kha ani hey first composite number from the right n ania hey 4 kha second composite number from the right n ani to me veilam panga khan later exam e kan ti chuan later kha helai khan hey 5 ani chuan hey m pakhat chuan f